This water heater was starving for fuel. No? Wrong. This water heater was starving for combustion air to have proper and sustainable flame because of lack of maintenance. Look at that. You can't make this up, folks. Don't neglect your water heater. You can easily extend the life of your client's hot water heating equipment or water heating equipment. It's not a hot water heater. You're not heating hot water, folks. If you ever have someone call your water heater a hot water heater, they need to get educated and educate them that it's not a hot water heater, it's a water heater. And you can guarantee that in stone.